Hi children, how are you? Hope you are doing good. I think all of you have practiced words with A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H, I, right? Yes, I know you will do it. Today we are going to learn the words to write with letter J. The worksheet numbers are 17, 18 and the video number is 19. So my little one, just let's get started. In this worksheet, we have words with jump, jeep, jog, jug, jet and then the last word is job. So my dear ones, let's first just go through by pronouncing these words with the spelling. Let's go now. J-U-M-P, jump. Right. J-U-M-P, jump. Correct. The next, J-E-E-P, jeep. Right. J-E-E-P, jeep. Right. Third one, J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. So now, what is the meaning of jump? We jump, right? We just move high, lifting our heels. So the next Jeep, you all know Jeep. It's just like a car. It has 4 wheels, steering, where you can sit in it and you can drive to any place. Jeep. Then jog. You're going jogging in the morning. Mama goes jogging in the morning. Papa goes jogging in the morning. So let's see the next. J-U-G, jug. Right. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. The last one, J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. Come on, let's get started how to learn these words. Now, jug. You know, you have different jugs at home, right? A water jug, a jug of milk, jug which you pour milk. Then we have jet. Jets are normally used by Air Force or military or Navy people to fly. They use these jets especially during the time of wars to protect us from our enemies. Next, job. When you do some good work, what do I say? Well done, good job. So it's a work. Job is nothing but a work. So now let's get started how to write. Take your pencils, hold your pencils tight, keep your worksheet straight. Yes, children, come on, start. J U M P, jump. Let's repeat. J U M P, jump. Yes, we are done now. Let's go to the word jeep. J E E P, jeep. Just follow how Miss is writing, children. J E E P, jeep. Please tell it aloud as you write. Next, third word. J O G, jog. Let's repeat. J O G, jog. Now, next go to the next line. It is J U G, jug. Next again, J, U, G, jug. After writing the word only, you will be putting a dot. Come on, let's do next one. J, E, T, jet. J, E, T, jet. Now let's go to the word jog. J, O, B, jog. Let's repeat. J, O, B, jog. Okay children, we have written it 2 times. You have 2 lines which are given in one side of your worksheet. You wrote with me now these 6 words. You have some same words back also. Those words you are going to write with the help of mummy or papa. Now, let's see how to use these words to frame simple sentences. Let's get started. We have the first word jump, right? Just repeat after me. J-U-M-P, jump, right. J-U-M-P, jump, right. Let's see how to use this word to frame a simple sentence. You can see the penguins are jumping up, right? They are trying to jump up on the ice. How to use the word jump in a sentence? Hey, look how the penguins are trying to jump. This is the sentence which we framed based on the picture using the word jump. But instead, we can use some other sentences. I can jump. My sister will jump over the bench. Right. My brother will jump over the table. I saw a cat jump over the fence. Yes, that's the way which we can use it. Let's see the next sentence. We have again about penguins. Little penguins love to jump and dance, right? You might have seen this movie. Most of you all might have seen it. So they are jumping and dancing. Little penguins love to jump. Little children like you love to jump, right? If I tell you, come on, leave your pencils and jump, you will happily do it. Come on, just once, jump and see children. Yes, good jump. Let's go to the next one. We have the word jeep. Can you just repeat with me? J-E-E-P, jeep. Right. J-E-E-P, jeep. Come on, let's see how to use this word jeep in a sentence. My little ones, we have a red jeep over here. Look at the lovely jeep. By seeing this, we are saying look at the lovely jeep. We also can frame the jeep has 4 fat tires. The jeep is red in color. Right. There is a puppy on the jeep. Can you see? Yes. So we are using the word jeep and framing simple sentences. Let's go for another slide. Here we have, you can see the jeep, it's falling into the water, it slipped. The jeep fell into the water. So my children, here also we are using the word jeep. The jeep is brown in color. The jeep has a steering. The jeep is used to go from place to place. So we are using the word jeep to frame simple sentences. Next, we have the word joy. I'm filled with joy. When are you filled with joy? When you're happy, right? Yes. When we are happy, our heart is filled with joy. Are you happy now? Yes, I can hear it so loud. Very good, children. When you are happy and filled with joy, you can learn better. Yes. Let's go for the next. They were filled with joy when I won the prize. Joy. Suppose there's a competition and you have won the prize. Mama and Papa see you taking prize, receiving prize on the stage. How do they feel? They are filled with joy, right? Yes. And I say you now, well done beta, you have written it very well. How do you feel? Joy, right? Yes. That's the joy. Let's see the next one. We have, my family was cheering the game with joy. It's like you are playing or you are participating in a game, maybe any game. It could be basketball, football, cricket, whatever you are doing. And you are playing in, your family is watching you. What do? Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Yes, yes, yes. They express it that way. Why? Because they are filled with joy and they are encouraging you. You are filled with joy. Yes. Next, we have the word jug. Jug can be of any type, my children. It can be a glass jug, it can be a steel jug, it can be a plastic jug, it can be of any jug. And jug can be used for different purposes. It can be water, it can be milk, it can be juice, various things. So now let's see how to frame a sentence. We had a jug of mango juice. You can see your mom or whoever, dad or grandma, grandfather is pouring juice in the jug. And you are saying, we had a jug of juice. We had a jug of milk. I have jug of Pepsi. A bottle of Pepsi, right? If you pour it in the jug, it becomes jug of Pepsi. I have jug of sugar water. I have jug of anything. It could be jug of coffee, jug of milk, jug of tea. You can use the word jug in this way. Now, let's see the next one. John used milk from the jug. So, there is an empty glass. John is pouring from the jug into the jar. Okay. So, now my little ones, this jug is containing milk. Then you can say, I had a jug of milk after my game. I had a jug of milk after finishing my homework. Yes. Let's do the next one. Next word we have is jet. Right. This jet, what are you going to do with the jet? Are you going to play? Maybe a toy jet you will play. But a real jet, are you going to play? No, right? It is used by people, as I said, in the Navy, Army and Air Force. Why do they use it? Because they need to protect us. They carry the weapons, they carry some goods which are required in the war, so many things they will be carrying, and it is super fast. It's not like a tortoise. It is super fast. So, let's see how to use jet in a sentence. Have you seen the white jet plane? These are the jets which you see, right? Sometimes we see here and there flying. Yeah, these jets. It is white in color. The jet goes very fast. I love to see the jet. Jet is letting out smoke. Yes. Then, next is we have Reggie went to see the jet planes. You can see 3 jet planes, they are flying. It is an exhibition type which normally naval people display every year. So, one of the child went to see them. So, Reggie went to see the jet planes. There are 3 jet planes. The jet planes are moving very fast. The jet plane is grey in color. So many sentences we can make it. Next, Coming to job. J-O-B, job. Job is used for the word work. So let us see how to use this word. He said they did a great job. It's like job, I can say it, take yours as example. It's like now you are listening to me, right? And you have written your words just before this, right? Then mama or papa says, if you have written neatly and correctly, they say you have done a great job. Then I will say, beta, you have done a great job. You have done a wonderful job. Yes. And then you can use another sentence. It's like suppose a pencil falls down on the floor. Okay. And along with pencil, there are so many things shattered, like everything, pencils, toys, papers scattered everywhere. Mama says, beta, can you please pick it up after writing the worksheet? Then you will say, yes, mom. Then after you pick up, what does she say? She says, thank you, you have done a wonderful job. She appreciates you, wonderful job, the work which you have done. So, let's see the next slide. The players did a wonderful job. And it is like you are in the playground. You have a team of 5 and another class or section, maybe a section A, section B, both are playing, 5 children in each class playing the basketball. So, as you are playing, what do we comment or we say, rather we say, what a wonderful job they are doing. What an excellent job they are doing. Yes, that's the way we express it. The work which is done, we express it as a job. It can be like not only in a good way, sometimes it can be a negative, like what a job you have done, it's so bad. So it can be both the ways. It can be for saying good, it can be saying bad. Next we have, let's recap the words. So what are the words which we have learned? J-U-M-P, jump, right? J-E-E-P, jeep. Yes? J-O-Y, joy. J-U-G, jug. J-E-T, jet. J-O-B, job. So once, my little children, can you repeat after me? I want to hear you. Come on. J-U-M-P, jump. Right. J-U-M-P, jump. J-E-E-P, jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. Yes, children. With this, we are done for the day. In this video, we have learnt words with J, right? So, please write on the back side also, and as you write, please pronounce it. You need to learn the pronunciation. You need to learn the spelling. So, learn while you write and pronounce properly to speak better English. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a good day.